Today we're doing a rectification on a Ford Focus. Now I've brought it inside so you can see a little bit better. The colour is quite out on this one door as it was not blended out. Now we'll start with the amount of dirt that's in this paint is just out of control. There are hundreds, and I've only picked up what I could, but if the camera's probably going to pick up some more on the way. This thing's got edges, block marks. There's more dirt in the paint there that I've missed. Quite everywhere. We've got runs in the door. There's a run here, and I think this may be even in the base coat. So there's no fixing that without repainting. There is masking tape, paint edges, runs along the edge of the door. Very dull, very poor finish. The ripples in this door and also the finish on it is very dull. Like the clear has really let go. It's got some block marks through here as well. I'll see if I can get them in the photo. It's really hard to see it on the camera. Some around the handle. There's clear edges along here and really rough clear edges along here. Now the insurers usually argue about the belt molds, not to replace them, but as you can see this one sits really nice and straight, and then if you go along this one it's got a bend in it and a gap, so that won't be sealing properly. In general, just a poor quality job. So we'll be rectifying this car so we can bring it back to its former glory and our client can be happy again. She has been back twice now and they refuse to fix it. See if we can do a nicer job. I'm sure we can.